Radio talk show host Dr. Laura Schlessinger has issued an apology saying she did the wrong thing after repeatedly using a racial slur during an August 10, 2010 on-air discussion with a caller. According to CNN, Schlessinger said the N-word several times during a conversation with an African-American woman with a white husband who called to complain that she was getting fed up with her husband allowing his family and friends to say things that she felt were racist. The woman, who identified herself as Jade, then asked Schlessinger if the N-word was offensive. According to the Associated Press, Schlessinger said, "Black guys say it all the time." She then repeated the slur several times. The AP says Schlessinger did not direct the epithet at the woman, but said she used it to suggest how often she hears it and that it should not automatically be cause for offense. When Jade objected, Schlessinger said, "Oh, then I guess you don't watch HBO or listen to any black comedians." Towards the end of the call, Dr. Laura tells Jade, "If you're that hypersensitive about color and don't have a sense of humor, don't marry out of your race." Schlessinger posted an apology on her website on August 11, 2010, saying, "I talk every day about doing the right thing, and yesterday I did the wrong thing." Schlessinger went on to say that during the exchange with the caller, she realized she'd made a horrible mistake. She said she was so upset she couldn't finish the show and pulled herself off the air at the end of the hour. Schlesinger's use of the N-word on her show drew harsh criticism from some, including the Reverend Al Sharpton. During an interview with CNN on August 12, 2010, Sharpton said of Schlesinger's comments, "That is despicable." Sharpton went on to say that she said the word over and over in a very animated way, I might add, but that she actually, if you listen carefully to the logic of what she was saying, was that the N-word was not offensive. For more information on this topic and to listen to an entire audio recording of Dr. Schlesinger's call, visit the links below.